In today's video, we'll walk you through how to configure taxes on invoices in Odoo. If you've ever wondered how to ensure your invoices reflect the correct tax calculations, this step-by-step guide is just for you. Let's dive in. To get started, let's navigate to the accounting application in Odoo. Once there, Step 1. Create an invoice. To see how taxes are applied in Odoo, we'll start by creating an invoice. Go to Customers menu, then select Invoices from the Accounting or Invoicing module. Click the Create button to open a new invoice form. Example: imagine you're creating an invoice for a customer who purchased some products from your store. Step 2. Select the customer. In the Customer field, select the customer you are invoicing from the drop-down menu. Example: let's choose ABC Corporation as our customer. Step 3. Add invoice line items. Under the Invoice Lines tab, click Add a line to add a product or service to the invoice. In the Product field, select the product or service being sold. Enter the unit price for the product. Example: let's say we're invoicing for a croissant priced at $4 and anime-themed coffee mug at $8.99. Enter this information in the respective fields. Step 4. Apply taxes to the product. In the Taxes column, click the drop-down menu and select the applicable tax or taxes. Odoo allows you to select multiple taxes if necessary. For instance, you could apply a 15% tax for both invoice line items. Once the taxes are applied, the tax breakdown will automatically appear under the subtotals section on the bottom right of the invoice. Example: if you apply a 15% tax, the subtotal will show the tax amount as $1.95 for the $14.94 on total amount. Step 5. Review the tax breakdown. To view the detailed breakdown of the taxes applied, navigate to the Journal Items tab. Here, you'll see specific journal entries for each tax applied. The Account column will display the accounts linked to these taxes, which were pre-configured in your Odoo settings. Example: if the tax is associated with a tax received account, you'll see a line item showing the amount being allocated to that account. Step 6. Save and confirm the invoice. Once you're satisfied with the invoice details, click Save to save the invoice as a draft. After reviewing the draft, click Confirm to validate the invoice. This step locks the invoice and makes it official. Pro tip: if you need to edit the invoice later, you can reset it to draft status as long as it hasn't been reconciled or paid. Conclusion: in just a few steps, we've successfully created an invoice, added products, applied taxes, and reviewed the tax breakdown in Odoo. This ensures your financial records are accurate and compliant with tax regulations. I hope you all have a clear understanding of the concepts covered in this video. If you have any questions or queries, feel free to leave a comment below. For more support, please subscribe, share, and like the video. And don't forget to click the bell icon to stay updated on my latest releases.